Photoshop animation for dummies. It's super easy. First thing you have to do is open up an Illustrator, create your own animation character. You can just make one simple emoji using shape tools. Once you're done making the first file, you're going to save as animation character 1 JPEG file. We're going to make the eyes blink, so you're going to cover the eyes. Using Pathfinder tool, you can make it halfway down and then fully down. So I created the circle and then the rectangle on the bottom, and then I Pathfinder subtract the half bottom to make the halfway. And then animation character number 2, JPEG file. Now, I want this to be fully covered. This is going to be animation character number 3 as JPEG file. Now we're going to use Photoshop to make an animation. So you need all 3 files open on Photoshop. First, you are going to go open up the first one, and then 2 other ones, you just have to go File and Open. And then the second file, you're going to go Command A to select everything about that file and Command C to copy, and then Command V to paste onto the first file. Same thing happens for the third one too, and then everything now is going to be on the first file as separate layers. Check your layers if the layers are all in order of action. Once you're done, go to the window and timeline to have those animation frames in front of you. These little boxes are called frames, and you can create new frames by clicking the new frame button. Revisit each frame and then make sure that matches up with the layer that's visible in order of action. Do you notice in each frame has different action in order? Now play it. See, the eyes are blinking. Now try to make the movement smoother by adding more frame. You can also make the action smoother by adjusting seconds in each frame. You can see by adjusting, the action is a lot smoother and natural. Now save your file as GIF file. First, you go to File and Export and Save for Web. And then just make sure that it is formatted as GIF. And then you just press the button for Save. And name it as Animation, Character, whatever you want. And then we can test it on the web browser if you saved it as an animation. So open up any web browser you like. And then you drag your GIF file onto the web page. Ta-da! It is done. That easy. Let's go ahead and make your own.